How to fix Ticketmaster app not working. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to the App Store of your device. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for Ticketmaster. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Once done, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of your device. Head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Ticketmaster and then move into it. Now click on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on this app. Once done, you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.